So in this video, we are now going to upload our first NFT now that we've created our collection. So as you can see, we're on our profile. So now what we need to do is head over to our collections and then just select the collection. Now, recalling back from the last video, I did say I was going to change my banner and also my logo, which I've clearly done. And all I've gone for is just a simple, clean, crisp white background with the smart NFTs in the logo. And also I've just put in a Polygon horse there because I'm going to be using the Polygon blockchain, and also I've got a royalty free Ethereum logo there. So that's all changed and I'm quite happy with that. As you can see, of course, we linked our Twitter account up before we finished the last video. So what we need to now do is we need to add an item by clicking add item, and you're taken to this page here. Now, first thing we need to do is put your item in, whether it's an image, a video, audio, or a 3D model. Now, please bear in mind the maximum size is 100 megabytes. So if you're going to be putting a GIF or a video or something like that, it needs to be under 100 megabyte in size. So all you're going to do is just click and then find out where your logo is, or your image, should I say, is there. So as you can see there, I've got a gaming logo monkey. So now what we need to do is just give it a name, and I'm just going to call it gaming monkey. And then scrolling down, we have external link. Now, we mentioned in the previous video, you really should have a link or some form of website page to direct your clients to there. So I'm just going to paste in a link there. It's just a landing page that I've created on a website. Again, it's not essential, but it's always useful to have. Now you're going to give your image or your NFT a description. And I've already got a quick brief description, and I'm just going to paste it in there. As you can see, it is just a simple little description. It's going to be part of a unique collection of NFTs for art collectors or ideal for gaming logos. And you'll see more about that when we start uploading the rest of the NFTs. So once you've done that, of course, we've only got the collection. Now, once you start building certain collections, you'll have a drop-down menu here, and you would pick the collection. For us, we've only got the one so far, so it's the smart NFTs. Now, this part here is where we can start adding properties, levels, stats, and unlockable content. So firstly, we're going to have a look at the properties. So what's the properties all about? Well, the properties, this is where your NFT will be unique. So what we're going to do is just quick, and I'll show you what I mean. We'll just quickly jump over, and we're going to have a look at 3 different NFTs. These ones are from the Bored Ape Yacht Club, which is one of the most popular NFT shops on OpenSea. And if you just scroll down, look. So if you just have a look, firstly, sorry, at the monkey. Okay, so you've seen there's a monkey with a hat on. If you click on their properties, look, tells you there. So the background, it's orange. And it's got a percentage on each one. So that's telling you 13% have an orange background, which is quite high. So it's not very rare. So the eyes, if you have a look at the eyes, look, it's telling you it's got angry eyes, and only 4% have got that. So that's quite low, so that's making it relatively unique. The fur, red fur, so only 5% is red fur. They put a hat on, so an Irish horse on is only 2%, so that's really rare. 7% the mouth, it's got a grin. So, it's how rare your NFT looks. Let's have a quick look at another one. So we'll have a look again. It's from the same collection, the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Again, the background blue, earring. So it's got, this time they put an earring in. Look, so there's 9% on that. So these are relatively high. The eyes are closed, but the bottom 3, look, 5% blue, 3% have horns on the hat. Unshaven. So these are all properties, and quick another one from the same club of properties again. So this time, aquamarine colour, so that's quite high. The clothes, so black t-shirts, so that's only 3%, that's low. Again, you've got an earring, so they seem to be going with the earring, but this one's a silver stud, 8%, wide-eyed, etc, etc. So these are all the properties. So if we jump back to our NFT, again, you don't have to add any properties in, but you know, this just makes it more attractable for potential buyers to buy them. So let me show you how I did this. So I'm just going to minimize this, and what we have here, I've got a Word document open. I'll just pull that down so you can see, and also I've got the image. So that's the image there. If we just make that a bit bigger, there you go. So just have a look at the proper image, and you can see all the different features that I've got there. The ones that stand out really is the different colour of the fur, the hair. He's wearing a red earring. That's distinctive. If you notice on the left eye, or the right eye as we're looking at it, it's got a Bitcoin symbol in there, so that is unique. The monkey's actually smoking. It's got an aqua light blue background shield. So them are the type of properties that I'm going to add in. So I'll just go there, and as you can see there, that is the properties there. So mouth, cigarette. So I've just put them on a Word document. Look, as you can see. So the mouth, the document, the mouth, it's having a cigarette, earrings red. Tell you one thing that we did miss actually. So the fur green, we'll put hair, which is purple. Purple and blue. Okay. So all I'm going to simply do is just transfer these over. So all I'm going to do is just copy this one first, look, and then go back to our properties, paste it in. The name, it's got mail. I'll just keep it as mail, yeah, just leave it there. So what I'm going to do is just add more. So I'm just going to add all of the properties, and then I'm going to come back. Right, okay, so as you can see, I've added them in there. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in there. Again, you know, all you have to do is just keep adding, clicking more if you want to add more. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm then going to click save. Okay, so what you'll notice here, look, only 2 of them have actually been added into the properties. This is because I've actually missed the name in there. So what I'm going to do is, if you can see here, look, where I type a new one in and put the mail again, it's registered. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and rewrite those out and then come back. So there you go. There you can see the 7 properties that we have added. Okay, and again, you can go back and you can add more and save it. So the levels, I suppose, is as if you're going to have like a collection. So in my case, I'm going to actually put 25 gaming logos in. So all I'm going to do is click there, and then you're just going to name, look. So in here, you're going to have your value. So the name will be Gaming Monkey. Gaming Monkey logo. Call it that. So this is going to be 1, and it's going to be of 25. So we're going to upload 25 in total. So 1 in 25. So that's given the levels. Again, you can add more there. So I'm just going to click save. Again, you don't have to add that one in there. The stats, again, the stats will just be off any previous stats that you want to upload. In this case, I'm just gonna leave it. The unlockable content, which is quite good. This is where you can offer or give the buyer something extra, which is always exciting when you're looking and you think, oh, there's something else there behind this, but you can't actually see it. And to do that, and it's always worth doing, is just to give them maybe as a freebie, or you might want to take them to a link or anywhere like that, or if you're giving them a physical product. So if you say, for example, you're selling a monkey, a gaming monkey like that, and I've also got a gaming monkey teddy bear, and then I want to post it out to them, then I can do that, and it'll just, all the details and would be in here. So all you would simply do is just enable it, and this is where the information would go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them and give them some free resources from our website, and it'll take them, and they might have some free training on how to create, some NFTs or some artwork. So I'm just going to go and get the link. So I've got the link and I'm going to paste it in there. That's all it is. So that is the link there where they will receive free resources. Set the item as sensitive content. No, that this is not sensitive content there. So I'm just going to leave that there. The number of supplies. So how many copies do you want? Now it's entirely up to you. You can have one. You can have as many as you actually want. But with NFTs, the unique in themselves, so you want them to be as rare as possible. So for this purpose, I'm just going to have one copy. But like I said, you can have, as many as you want. But I'm going to have it just as the one there. Here, you select your blockchain. So from the previous video, if you recall, we went on the Polygon blockchain. You've got your Ethereum blockchain there, but I'm sticking with that for the gas fees as previously mentioned. And it's just explaining there, freezing your metadata will allow you to permanently lock and store all of this, okay? So you can learn more about how to lock it by just selecting the hyperlink there. So that's pretty much it, really. So just, going down, just making sure, again, you've got your right logo, everything's all in check, everything's all spelled correctly. You're going down, you've got your links in there, you've got your description, you've got your collection that you're going in there, so you've got your properties, you've got your levels, any stats you want, any unlockable content, all there. So it's nice and straightforward. And once you've done that, what we're now going to do is select create. There we go. We have now just created our very first NFT. Excellent. Okay, so now you have an option to share them on social media. So you've got your Twitter, your Facebook, you have your Telegram, and also you've got the link there to email it. So what I'm going to do, firstly, I'm just going to take a quick screenshot. And then I'm going to share it on our Twitter. There we go, look. Check out my new NFT on OpenSea. Okay, and there's the link there. And also what you can do, you can put yourselves a few little hashtags in there. NFT. Yeah, we'll go with that one. So NFTs. Let's do one more. Again, you're not entitled to do this, but let's go gaming. See if there's anything for gaming. Yeah, gaming. Shiba gaming. Settle gaming community. Yeah, we'll just do that one there. And tweet. And there we go. That is now shared on our Twitter. So we can go back and you can actually share it on Facebook, as I mentioned before, Telegram, and copy the link. Okay, so that is it for now. So all we're going to do is just close that. So there we go. There's our NFT live. So as you can see there, it's got Smart NFT. So if you were to just click that and open it in a new link, look, that is it there now. So that's our profile. So we've got one item, one owner. Okay, all the details are all there. If you were to click on it, it'll just take you back to where we've just come from. But I'm just showing you the links there. So there's the name there, Gaming Monkey, owned by, of course, that would be my name would come up there because I'm signed in. There you go, look, reveal unlockable content. So I can do that at my end because I'm signed in. Anybody else will just see that there and they'll know that there is something lockable behind there. So there you've got your price history and all that type of stuff. So there you've got your listings, you've got offers. So I'm going to come on to those in a moment when we actually sell it. There's your description. Look, so created there, Game and Monkey, part of your unique art collection. So the properties, so all the properties that we put in before. So there you go, look. So of course they're all new, so we haven't got a percentage there. The levels, so that's 1 of 25. About our collection, so that automatically comes up. So the about smart NFTs that we done in the previous video is there as well, and there is the blockchain address and ID where our NFT is sitting, and there's the minting address there. So that's excellent stuff there. Okay, so with that said, that'll be it for this video. And when we come back, what we're now going to do is we're going to actually sell our Game and Monkey NFT, because all we're doing at the moment is minting it, and now we want to sell it. So we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.